In today's digital age, building a personal brand on social media platforms is essential to establish your expertise, showcase your accomplishments, and connect with like-minded professionals. LinkedIn, the world's largest professional network, offers a great platform to build a personal brand and connect with industry peers, recruiters, and potential employers. In this video, we'll give you 10 tips on how to build a personal brand on LinkedIn and make the most of this powerful platform. Tip 1. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is critical to building a strong personal brand on the platform. Your profile is often the first thing that potential employers or business partners will see, so you want to make sure it presents you in the best possible light. Start with a professional profile picture that shows your face clearly and without distractions. Use your headline and summary sections to highlight your unique value proposition, the skills, experience, and strengths that make you stand out. Make sure to use relevant keywords that align with your industry or job title, as this will make it easier for recruiters or potential business partners to find you. Finally, don't forget to add your work experience, education, and skills to your profile, and use multimedia, such as videos or presentations, to showcase your work and accomplishments. Tip 2. Engage with content. Engaging with content is a great way to build your personal brand on LinkedIn. Start by liking, commenting, and sharing posts that are relevant to your interests, expertise, or industry. This will help you build connections with others in your network and start meaningful conversations. You can also create your own content, such as articles or posts, that offer insights or solutions to industry challenges. By providing valuable content, you'll establish yourself as a thought leader in your field and attract more followers. Don't forget to engage with others in your industry or network by asking questions, offering feedback, or sharing their content. Tip 3. Joining LinkedIn groups is an excellent way to connect with like-minded professionals and build your personal brand. Look for groups that align with your interests or industry and join them. Participate in group discussions, share your opinions and insights, and ask questions to show your expertise and interest in the topic. You can also create your LinkedIn group and invite others to join, providing a platform to showcase your expertise and connect with others. Just make sure to follow the group's guidelines and engage in respectful and constructive conversations. Tip 4. Leverage LinkedIn recommendations. LinkedIn recommendations are a powerful tool to help build your personal brand. Recommendations are testimonials from colleagues, clients, or mentors that highlight your skills, accomplishments, or work ethic. They can help you establish trust and credibility with potential business partners or employers. To get recommendations, reach out to people in your network and ask them to provide a recommendation. Make sure to choose people who know your work well and can speak to your strengths. It's also important to reciprocate by providing recommendations to others in your network, as this will help build stronger relationships and establish you as a supportive and collaborative professional. Tip 5. Build thought leadership. Building thought leadership is an excellent way to build your personal brand and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Share your knowledge, insights, or opinions on industry trends or challenges by creating content, speaking at events, or participating in interviews or podcasts. Build a reputation as a thought leader, and opportunities will follow. Tip 6. Use LinkedIn Analytics. LinkedIn Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you track the performance of your personal brand on the platform. By monitoring your profile's views, engagement rates, or content performance, you can identify what works best for your audience and optimize your profile and content strategy accordingly. For example, if you notice that your posts with images get more engagement than text-only posts, you can start incorporating more visuals into your content. Use data to improve your personal brand's impact and grow your audience. Tip 7. Network on LinkedIn. Networking on LinkedIn is an excellent way to build relationships and grow your personal brand. Start by connecting with industry peers, colleagues, or recruiters who share your interests or work in your field. Engage with them regularly by commenting on their posts, sharing relevant content, or sending personalized messages. Attend virtual events, webinars, or conferences, and network with speakers or other attendees. Building a network of meaningful connections can help you grow your personal brand and your career. Tip 8. Showcase your achievements. Showcasing your achievements is a great way to build your personal brand and highlight your accomplishments. Share updates on your career milestones, such as new job roles, certifications, or awards, and celebrate your accomplishments. Use media, such as images or videos, to showcase your work and accomplishments. For example, if you completed a challenging project, you can create a short video that explains your role and the project's outcome. Sharing your achievements will help establish your expertise and credibility and attract more followers to your personal brand. Tip 9. Personalizing your outreach is crucial to building meaningful relationships and growing your personal brand on LinkedIn. When reaching out to others in your network or industry, use LinkedIn's messaging feature to personalize your message. Mention their recent accomplishments or interests, and offer something of value in return, such as an introduction to someone in your network, a helpful resource, or a piece of advice. Personalizing your outreach shows that you've taken the time to understand the person's needs and interests, and it can help you build a stronger connection with your target audience. Tip 10. Consistency and authenticity are essential to building a strong personal brand on LinkedIn. Be consistent in your messaging, content strategy, and engagement with others. Consistency helps establish your personal brand's identity and build trust with your audience. Make sure your personal brand aligns with your values and personality, and be authentic in your interactions with others. Authenticity builds trust and credibility, and it's crucial to building a strong personal brand. Don't try to be someone you're not, and don't pretend to know something you don't. Instead, be true to yourself, share your unique perspective and expertise, and be open to learning from others. By being consistent and authentic, you'll establish yourself as a trusted thought leader in your field and attract more followers to your personal brand. Building a personal brand on LinkedIn is a powerful way to showcase your expertise, connect with like-minded professionals, and advance your career. By optimizing your LinkedIn profile, engaging with content, joining LinkedIn groups, leveraging LinkedIn recommendations, building thought leadership, using LinkedIn analytics, networking on LinkedIn, showcasing your achievements, personalizing your outreach, and being consistent and authentic in your interactions, you can establish a strong personal brand that helps you achieve your career goals and grow your professional network. Remember to dedicate time and effort to each of these 10 tips, and to stay true to yourself and your values as you build your personal brand on LinkedIn. With consistency, authenticity, and hard work, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your field and connect with others who share your passions and interests. Good luck! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on making money online.